Unless you've been living under a rock for the past 6 months, I'm pretty sure that you've heard of YouTube Shorts. It's no secret that a lot of creators have been enjoying the success that they've been getting from YouTube Shorts, but it doesn't mean that they don't still have a lot of questions about them. So what I decided to do is I gathered the 6 most common questions people have about YouTube Shorts, and we go over them in this video right now. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? My name is Max and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on my channel and you want to learn how to make better YouTube and streaming content, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so that way you don't miss any content. The first most commonly asked question for people making YouTube Shorts is, what's the best video topic? I already made a video talking about this in depth, so definitely feel free to check out that video right over here after you're done watching this video. But the main consensus is yes, of course, the entertainment focused ones like you see on TikTok are the ones that are doing extremely well on the YouTube Shorts shelf. So if your YouTube channel is already centered around challenge videos, prank videos, or even gaming content, this is gonna work out great for you because people want to be entertained because they like to have a laugh and then move on to the next video. But the one thing that I talked about in that video that people are sleeping on the most is the education focused YouTube Shorts. The reason why I think these are being slept on is because a lot of people get focused on the numbers. They want to see those big like million view videos, and you're not gonna get that with education focused shorts. The idea is that you're actually pairing that with whatever long form content that you have on your channel currently. So if you have videos like mine that are talking about YouTube and streaming tips, it's definitely a good idea for me, for example, to talk about these OBS plugin videos because I can do those in a short video, and they've actually done very well in terms of getting me people into my channel to watch some of my other videos. So the second most commonly asked question is whether you should be using your actual camera or you should be actually using your phone to record your video. The simple answer to this question is it doesn't really matter. It's about what's most convenient to you. Most of the cell phones that you get nowadays actually rival DSLR and mirrorless camera quality anyway, so it really doesn't matter which type of camera you use. The one thing I will say is that long term, I feel like your cell phone is going to be your most viable option for YouTube Shorts because once we're allowed to be able to do YouTube Shorts through the YouTube app, we're going to be able to make them right there with our cell phone, be able to edit, add music, whatever we need to do. Ultimately, I go back to my original premise where yes, I think YouTube long term is going to want you to use your cell phone to upload YouTube Shorts. At the end of the day, I think YouTube is still going to give us flexibility to be able to record these with our camera and upload it through the normal YouTube app on our computer. The one key thing is to make sure that you're recording in the vertical format, so make sure your camera's flipped to the side or make sure that your phone is in the portrait mode. The third most commonly asked question is whether you should be editing your YouTube Shorts or uploading raw footage. Now hold up real quick. What I mean by raw footage is not just uploading a raw video to YouTube. What I mean by that is you're adding the bare minimum effort. You're just putting music and just uploading whatever you got. So going back to the question, it really just depends on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to give your opinion on something in a talking head format where you're just grabbing your phone and just starting to talk into the camera, you may not have to do any cuts or edits because you do it all in one take and it's exactly how you want it to be. On the flip side, this is completely different if you want to do something like a micro review, a micro tutorial, or anything like that. You have to actually take some time to edit these videos to make sure they fit in the 60-second or less format. Literally doesn't matter. YouTube is going to upload anything onto the YouTube Short shelf, so you can literally do a YouTube Short for 10 seconds about you talking about your favorite brand of coffee, and it's gonna go up on the shelf. The fourth most commonly asked question is whether you should be uploading your YouTube Shorts to your main channel or starting a separate Shorts channel. Now this is really interesting because a lot of people are trying a lot of different things. You're seeing a lot of smaller creators upload all their Shorts onto their main channel, and then you're seeing a lot of large creators make separate Shorts channels to be able to test this feature out. But is this really the best way that you personally want to be doing YouTube Shorts? As of March 7, 2021, YouTube Shorts, when they appear on the YouTube Shorts shelf, and I want to clarify that, on the YouTube Shorts shelf, they do not count toward your monetization watch time goal if you're not monetized, nor do they give you ad revenue if you already are monetized because ads don't appear on the YouTube Shorts shelf at this time. So yes, while YouTube Shorts are helping you over here with views and subscribers, they're not actually helping you over here currently with any type of monetization goal. So that's why you're seeing a lot of large creators starting to dabble with these on second channels because they don't want to mess up all their monetization stuff with YouTube Shorts on their current channel. Yes, they could see some other subscribers and that may turn them on to some of their other videos, but rather than risk it right now, they're giving it a shot on a second channel. So really right now, that's where we're at. We're not really sure where YouTube Shorts are going to go yet. Are we going to get actually ad revenue from the YouTube Shorts shelf once it actually gets fully enabled? Or are we going to gain any watch time toward our monetization goals if we're not monetized yet? My suggestion is this: definitely try them on your main channel. Don't be scared to try them because definitely they can help you gain some extra subs and views that you normally wouldn't get. But also, if you want to make a second channel, don't be shy about trying to upload some of those ones that do really well onto your main channel. The fifth most commonly asked question is whether you should be doing daily uploads or spacing your uploads out. Up until this point, a lot of advice that you've gotten on YouTube is the fact that doing daily uploads does not necessarily mean you're going to have more success than somebody who does a upload once a week or twice a week. With the introduction to YouTube Shorts, it's actually flipped that philosophy on its head because right now, the best way to do YouTube Shorts is to upload them fairly frequently. We're going to go back to what we just talked about with having two different channels. If you have a second channel for YouTube YouTube Shorts, you should be focused on volume. So definitely you want to be uploading as much as possible, meaning like 5 to 7 times a week. So the reason why you want to focus on volume so much in this case is because, yes, at the end of the day, you're going to be getting a lot of views on the YouTube Shorts shelf. But the idea is that you're going to have your videos showing up in other metrics such as search, browse, recommended, and those other things. The more videos you have out there, the more monetization you're going to get because those actually get ads on them. And the more watch time you're going to get toward your monetization goals if you're not monetized. So when you're uploading YouTube Shorts to your main channel, you want to do the same thing, except you want to actually do it a little less, meaning that if you have a long form video that comes out once a week, you want to actually be uploading 2 to 3 YouTube Short videos to supplement in between your videos. The main science is this, is that the fact that YouTube Shorts are going to be driving views and traffic to your channel. So what's that going to lead to? More subscribers. These subscribers may be more interested in your longer form content. Really, regardless, it doesn't matter. You need to experiment with trying different things. Maybe only uploading 1 short a week works for your channel. Maybe uploading 5 shorts a week works for your channel. Just experiment and try different things. But typically the thing I've seen that works the best is on your main channel, uploading 2 to 3 videos per week. And if you have a dedicated YouTube Shorts channel, uploading as frequently as possible. So the 6th and final most commonly asked question for YouTube Shorts is whether you should be uploading thumbnails for your videos or not uploading thumbnails for your videos. So the big thing that people are getting hung up on right now is that thumbnails do not show up on the YouTube Shorts shelf. So why would I make thumbnails if they're not going to show up? So there's 2 things to keep in mind with this. And the main thing is that if you're uploading these to your main YouTube channel, it's going to look really weird having videos up with no thumbnails on your channel. The second thing to keep in mind is, like I said in the last one, is that these YouTube Shorts are going to appear on regular YouTube. So if somebody's searching for the best in-bank settings, you can actually make a thumbnail for this and people can go into the short and actually watch it. Overall, my thought process is this: it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So my question of the day for you guys is, are you uploading your YouTube Shorts to your main channel, or are you uploading them to a YouTube Shorts second channel? Let me know down in the comments below, and also check out my other videos on YouTube Shorts right below me right here. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. You ready? All right, I'm not gonna take it out of the box. I'm not supposed to ruin the surprise. All right, here we go. So this is a Japanese top shelf whiskey, dude. She's been like blowing me up about getting this whiskey. She's like, we need to get that whiskey this weekend, and I'm like, fine, we'll get it. We keep forgetting, so we finally got it.